abertura Dili Maratona Internacional 2025, cultural Dili Maratona Internacional 2025 Niniam. O Hincalan, ita celebra solidariedade, criatividade, no espírito da menina nebe halibur ita hoto. No ato hahui tani celebração ine, mai ita simu hoba salimang makas, baiha grupo sergala, dança no música tradicional Musi Maubisi, ihanebe ritmo sira conta história com a unidade no orgulho. Mai ita simu sira hoi tani basalimang makas.
And now, to begin our celebration, let's welcome the vibrant Sergala, traditional dance and music from Maubisi, where every rhythm tells a story of unity and pride. Let us give them a big round of applause.
Ordene admira fe, isi reunião, ana reunião, rio fez mera fe, isi reunião, ana reunião, rio fez a, mesa fez a, awolo fez a, sai mana ni mana.
Hey, hey, começando a riuno, ordem a meda, a misi reunião, macogni a reno, tvani mata, prendemos o normal loco, sira morla toda, radimar kitu normal taino, divino faras, bona faile lora he simule. Lora, oh, 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 oh,
menaninya kebiasaan, awin masih sebreke, terrelo, kita lawan leya, kena tete leya, tukra mabrusufe, rola bataka, suka ni wabse kali. Kami wabse.
Hey, hey, Meganyam reuno, mehalia kbesa, aisu sebreko, hey, visita launio, kadera tete, kadraba brusuno, reula varna, ona failera sahe, simule lora, oh,
mana ni. Prima Vincent.
Bien. Excelência, senhoras e senhores, tudo além da caída do negócio ali, não matas, vai a Grupo Sergala. Excelência, senhoras e senhores, ser roto da lei da caída do negócio ali, não matas, vai a Grupo Sergala. Tuir fila falimai, ita seba assistir hamutu dança tradicional bem-vindo, hu karaudikur no dadoli musi grupo Legeval. Dança idane, contra baitane beyala sira, no cumprimento itane bainaka sira, ho entusiasmo no respeito. Mai ita simusa, ho itane basalima makas.
Up next, the magnificent Legeval, our traditional welcome dance featuring buffalo horns and the melody of the Doli, a dance that honors our ancestors and greets our guests with warmth and respect. Let's give Legeval a big round of applause.
Bien, excelentes señores y señores, se rogo na dilatata todo na masalima magas para o grupo Legeval. Hanesa ito hoto hatene katagihan kalang mane kidane, itahamuto kori celebra dame unidade no amizade.
As we all know, tonight we are here together to celebrate peace, unity, and friendship.
Também, tuir fila falimai ita se barona breves palavras de sua excelência Sira.
Please join me in welcoming our distinguished guests of honors.
Com respeito também agora convida Sua Excelência Ministro da Juventude e do Desporto, a tubela me hatolhe fuang da rua baita hoto.
With respect, I would like to invite His Excellency, the Ministry of Youth and Sport. Let us give him a big round of applause.
Excelência Presidente da República, excelências embaixadores, bem marca a presença né? Convidados, atleta nacional ou atleta internacional, Fira, com respeita e boa noite para todos. Em nome da comissão organizadora, a gente contente de TEBES, a presença da boa sernian Hutu Yane, atu itahamutu participa em eventos dele internacional Marathon. Programa de neve iniciativa do Presidente da República, onde tinha mensagem específica para a nação, nomos mundo. E o desporto atlético, e também promove o diacriutan damai e a itinirai, nemos kita transmiti damai neve ia mundo. Itanya eventos halai taru marathon si halo iha lorong ida maitan dia 11 de outubro mai be atu toy na ba ia programas balu de beita halo oin itahu abertura ou programas culturais balu no museu exposição de beita se continua atuavam e ia 11 de outubro ito todo a me convida untuk participa ia Dili International Marathon. Lalu kita isbot belasa hala ia full marathon, baru nebe isnaton de kita bel participa ia live pass nebe oleh 3 km espera cada itu tudo bel participa. Quando o objetivo principal do evento general, agora é o presidente da República se toma ita outro, também ao suíto outro e na funding, pode anima calan divertimento cidadão e pode cultura na funding ba avan, não vai. Makrede, obrigado por toda a atenção.
Thank you so much, His Excellency Minister. We would like to announce that we have a special guest here with us. They are from Senior Federation of Asia. Please, let's give them a round of applause. They'll be staying with us for tonight and tomorrow night. Thank you.
Mari, kami convida Sua Excelência Presidente de Atletismo Mundial para a Ásia.
Que Fila Falimaya me convida a respeita Sua Excelência Presidente Atletismo Mundial Bazea, a tubele hatoli fuang ide karua baita hoto. Halo favor.
Now, we would like to please call on the President of the World Athletics of Asia. Please, let's give them a big round of applause.
Your Excellency President Dawud and Your Excellency all ambassador from ASEAN. It's my honor to be here with my friend Mr. Tiko Tang Chong, Vice President from Asia. We are visit Timor-Leste. We have some discussion with the Timor-Leste Athletic Federation about development program. This is our duty in Asia. We have member 45 countries from Asia work together. This time we are come here to visit our family Timor Athletic Federation. It's one member in Asia and also in Southeast Asia ASEAN Athletic. Yesterday, we have a good chance to go up the hill to visit the kid and the accommodation for the athlete on the hill. The location is very good for development for the long distance. I believe that in future, Timor-Leste will be a good runner in long distance. and the evening is we have a good chance to visit the opening DD International Marathon. They're showing that Timor-Leste women really support for support. I believe one day the athletic Timor-Leste will go up not only level in ASEAN and go until Asia level very soon with high support from government. Anyway, I would like to say thank you to Timor-Leste government because you support by heart. One day, all the kids will coming up for the Timor-Leste country very soon. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, His Excellency, President of the World Athletics of ASEAN. Let's give him a big round of applause.
Em Vila Falimai, e se Verona muito breves palavras com Sua Excelência Presidente da República Democrática Timor-Leste.
And now, we would like to invite His Excellency, the President of the Republic of Timor-Leste. Let's give him a big round of applause.
Turdia, boa noite e obrigado a Julia Badak de Fuanjacarua e atento depois de inglês. Foi Macau, Lorai, mais Portugal, e mais diretamente da presidência, assina lei do Bukira, quando vai ter a adesão à ASEAN. E marca aquela presença e agradece para o governo, a equipe, a presidência, que organiza a maratona NET em Tina Italo, pela primeira vez, Leurona, e se devemos Halo, exposição, feira, internet. E imediatamente, run for Palestine. Ita halo buat nage Emma millions juta yang mundo hago. Osi Southeast Asia, Asia, bato Europa na ba America Latina, millions participi solidariedade com o Palestino. Da maneira tema tina idade, nedun tamba desporto, Jogos Olímpicos, Jogos em todo o mundo, né? Tema ainda mas sempre, dame. E halo evento ainda não é. Depois, pela Lua Vale, situação ainda humanitária, nebe pior leu e o mundo marca e a Palestina, né? Doni marca tema até né? Depois apresentamos a voce da signora Turinavane e signora Prisia, uma guest especial, minha moto hoje, fosse Jakarta, minha jovenzinha toda Atena, minha atriz de cinema, diretora de cinema. Ele halo filme quando a Timor ou Indonésia. Really, I was just, I think he was special guest here. Young people, they all know you. No need for introduction. The elderly one, probably not, but the young one. That you're working on a movie on Timor and Indonesia, like it's a personal story, you know, family of son, father, and will participate in watch the film festival a bit. I just arrived this afternoon from Portugal. For some of you who might follow my local media and my media account, you probably see. I came straight to the office to sign something like 20 treaties, agreements, all related to ASEAN. These are some final treaties related to our ASEAN membership. So I haven't been home. I'm with the clothing from yesterday. But don't worry, I put some plenty of Arab perfume, so you will not you will not notice that I haven't had a shower in in the stopover in Singapore, I wasn't resting. Instead of having a few hours sleep, I had a meeting with someone from the Middle East. I don't mention name because he's discussing the U.S. and the other plan for Gaza. They wanted my opinion, and I said, listen, I'm not an expert in the field. My opinion doesn't count really. As long as the violence ends, as long as people's freedom, dignity, return, restore, whatever the political arrangement they come to agreement with. We had a very friendly conversation, me and the other side. And in spite of what they saw me writing about the situation, they still wanted to chat with me. So, and arriving today, I came straight here to sign off the treaties for our membership. The theme this year is Run for Palestine. It's very basic. It is a whole situation that shocked any of us with feelings as human beings. If we are human beings with all the qualities of a human being, that you feel pain, you feel happiness, you feel anger when you see violence against innocent people. Well, that's the situation. Nothing about politics, about big power politics. It's about human beings. It's just unacceptable. So, and we join with the hundreds of thousands, millions around the world who are every day, and those people, they are the ones who give in telling us, no, there is humanity. There is still humanity in this earth. So that's why, and I will be, if I have a Palestinian T-shirt tomorrow, I will wear it. Otherwise, well. So thank you all, everyone, for participating. And then we have the affair. I thank you, the Federação Atletismo, for this initiative. It is mainly that they are the ones doing the work. The presidency only is sponsor with the government. So thank you all for taking the time to come here.
Thank you, Her Excellency.
Tuifila falimay, ita sa basisti hamuto kanima sa musika, husi Maya no Jason, husi DIS, Sira Sailori ita ho musical laws, debe magfahanoy na ita ko na badame hahuhusi ita ron na malo.
Next is a touching performance by Maya Pudon and Jason Hall from DIS, Dili International School. Their song titled Lost reminds us that peace begins when we listen to each other. Let's give them a big round of applause.
O halay bata da direito povo palestiniano uma unidade e a gente iremos correr se a palácio presidencial se filhinhas mistura tudo junto com os bevoradinhos.